Experiencing data problems with your Straight Talk phone? It's a common issue, often fixed by adjusting your access point name settings. Straight Talk uses major networks like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, so incorrect APN configurations are usually the culprit. In 2025, Straight Talk has updated APN settings, particularly for enhanced 5G speeds. Data issues are down overall thanks to proactive updates, but manual adjustments may still be needed, especially on older Android devices or after software updates. The access point name, or APN, acts as the gateway between your device and Straight Talk's network. Let's configure it for Android and iPhone. For Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and Access Point Names. Edit the existing APN or create a new one with key settings. Name as Straight Talk, APN varies by network, and user and password are usually blank. For iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, then Cellular Network. Enter the APN details manually if auto detection fails, and make sure cellular data is enabled. For specific networks, Verizon uses V's WinterNet, AT&T uses Phone, and T-Mobile uses fast.tmobile.com. After any changes, restart your device. To check your SIM's network, use the Straight Talk app. If issues persist, contact Straight Talk support.